If you bought an off-grid inverter in the last few years, chances are you've been sold one of the lightweight, high-frequency, transformerless models that dominate today's market. And if you've already experienced nuisance shutdowns, poor motor starting performance, or premature failures, you're beginning to discover why that may have been a costly mistake. For decades, serious off-grid power systems relied on heavy-duty, low-frequency, transformer-based inverter technology for one simple reason: it works. These rugged inverters deliver dramatically higher surge capacity, allowing them to start demanding inductive loads such as well pumps, air conditioners, compressors, refrigerators, power tools, and other motor-driven equipment that often overwhelm high-frequency designs. But performance is only part of the story. Low-frequency inverters typically provide a much longer service life because they rely on massive iron core transformers that absorb abuse, handle overloads more gracefully, and reduce stress on sensitive electronic components. While many high-frequency units are engineered around minimizing manufacturing costs, low-frequency systems are engineered around long-term reliability. They're also inherently safer for your appliances. The output transformer provides galvanic isolation between the battery system and your household AC circuits. That isolation acts as an additional layer of protection, helping prevent faults on the DC side from being directly coupled to your appliances and electrical system. It's a design philosophy that has been trusted in industrial power equipment for decades. So why did so many manufacturers abandon transformer-based designs? The answer is simple: cost. Copper is expensive. Iron is expensive. Shipping hundreds of pounds of transformer material around the world is expensive. By eliminating the transformer, manufacturers can dramatically reduce material costs, reduce shipping costs, shrink packaging, and increase profit margins. The result is a lighter and cheaper inverter to produce, but not necessarily a better inverter to own. Whether you're powering a full-tilt off-grid country throwdown way out in the backwoods, lights blazing, amps screaming, or holding the line at home when the grid goes dark and the storm starts raging, DIYsolar.com delivers relentless power, unshakable reliability, built for the extremes.
Blackout sky and the sirens cry. City burns, but the lights stay alive. Flip the switch, hear the low end roar. Iron core, thunder shakes the floor. Steel and copper under overload, built to carry the heaviest load. Iron core, hear the engine scream. Heavy metal power machine, no weak links, no compromise. Built to run while the whole world fries. Iron core.
We use only the finest inverters and switchgear in our DIY battery backup systems. Our 10-kilowatt iron core inverter is built with massive, heavy-duty output transformers, delivering real-world performance that outperforms and outlasts many of the 12-kilowatt high-frequency transformerless units everyone else is pushing. Designed for brutal surge loads and demanding 24/7 operation, it's far more resistant to failure from lightning strikes, high inrush current exposure, and punishing inductive loads than the lightweight high-frequency alternatives flooding today's market. You won't find cheap bargain bin switchgear buried inside these heavy-duty inverter systems like you will in many of the mass-produced high-frequency units flooding today's market. The Iron Core 10-kilowatt heavy-duty low-frequency transformer-based inverter is built using professional-grade switchgear engineered by Schneider Electric, one of the most respected names in industrial power systems on the planet. Headquartered in Boston, Massachusetts, Schneider Electric is backed by more than 160,000 employees and over 1 million partners across 100-plus countries, and is consistently recognized as one of the world's most trusted and sustainable energy technology companies.